Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, there's never a dull moment with this bed bug situation. As much as I talk about bed bugs and answer comments, I have so many videos, and I don't know if you guys go through the videos and look at the videos, look at these titles to see what you need to watch. Something that I don't mention a lot now because I'm answering so many questions is masks. I have videos stating that you definitely need to wear masks, but you do. When you apply the powder, the Diatomaceous Earth powder, the powder can become very, very cloudy. And if you breathe it in, it could irritate your lungs. It can terribly irritate your lungs. Like it did with my youngest son when we first did it back in 2018. It irritated me a little, but it irritated him a lot as to where he had to leave the room and I finished. I had the windows open for ventilation and I wore a mask. I wore like the little regular hospital mask that you wear, and I also have a respirator mask, but I didn't have to wear it, but some of you may. I will link in the description the two type of masks that I have. I still have my mask because I still use the powder, but I will link in the description the two masks that I have. I don't know if I found the exact mask of one of them, but if it's not, it looks like the same one. It's very close. But yes, you need to wear mask when applying the powder. I will have two different type of masks in the description. The ones that they wear in the hospital, I doubled that mask when I wore that one. The other the respirator one, I never wore, but again, you may need to. Please be cautious when applying Diatomaceous Earth. It is food grade, and it's not harmful to humans or pets, but it is harmful if we breathe in the dust. Just think about cleaning your house or shaking a carpet out that has a bunch of dust. If you breathe that dust in, it's going to irritate your lungs terribly. It might even send you to the hospital, especially if you're asthmatic like me and my children. And that's it. So please wear masks when applying Diatomaceous Earth through your house. Number one. Another thing I meant is a lot of you don't know how to apply the powder, and that's normal. When you first using the powder for the first time, you had that stuff everywhere. The whole room be cloudy. You got to end up running out the room and going to get you some air outside or somewhere. That's how it happens when you first apply it, because you just don't know how to. But after a while, you get used to it where you can apply where you don't have it so dusty. But it doesn't matter. Wear a mask every time you apply the powder. They will be linked in the description. I had to come back to say that, guys, so that's very important. I'll see you guys on the next video.